to 974, keep 180 knots or greater to Rogie, or as close as you can.
Rogie, as close as we can, to 974.
Yeah, 2144, stay heading.
We're heading 212 right now, yeah, 2144.
Yeah, 2144, flying 230 to intercept and lowering in a second.
Alright, 230 intercept, yeah, 2144.
Gusty 974, contact San Francisco Tower, good night.
Over to Tower, good night, 974.
NorCal approach United 1243, 6000.
Yeah, 1243, right. Shamrock 961 heavy, turn right heading 110, descend and maintain 5,000.
Descend 110, descend, maintain 5,000, Shamrock 961 heavy.
Yeah, 2144, descend and maintain 3,200.
Descend and maintain 3,200, United 2144.
Okay, 53, reduce speed to 160. Yeah, 2144, 7 from Shake, maintain 3,100 till southwest, cleared ILS 1 LS approach, maintain 180 knots or greater.
Alright, maintain 3,100 till established, cleared ILS 19 or left, 180 knots or better, United 2144.
Shamrock 961 heavy, turn right heading 170, intercept 1 LS localized.
Right head 170, intercept the localizer 19 left, Shamrock 961 heavy.
Okay, 53, contact San Francisco Tower, good day.
San Francisco Tower, good night, thank you, carry for 6.
Shamrock 961 heavy, 8 miles from Shake, maintain 3,100 till established, cleared ILS 1 LS approach, maintain 180 knots.
Clear the ILS 19 left, Shamrock 961 heavy.
Shamrock 961 heavy, 3,100 till established.
3,100 to establish this, apologies, just 961 heavy.
NorCal United 1812 with your level 7,000, 230 to intercept the localizer 19 left.
Yeah, 1812, NorCal, descend and maintain 5,000.
5,000 United 1812.
Yeah, 2144, keep that 180 or greater to Rogie, contact San Francisco Tower, good day.
180 or better to Rogie and over to Tower United 2144.
Yeah, 1812, Customer clearance, falling heavy 8330, 5 miles from Burke, cross Burke, at about 5,000, cleared ILS 1 LS approach, 180 or greater.
United 1812, Burks 5,000 or greater, clear the ILS 19 left and 180, United 1812.
United 14, Medevac United 1482 at 6,000.
Medevac 1482, NorCal approach, salute.
NorCal, flight 206, 8,000, sing 7,000, heading 230 to join the localizer, heading, sorry, speed 180.
Yeah, 1243, turn right heading 110, descend to maintain 5,000.
Right heading 110, descend to 5,000, United 1243.
206, NorCal, approach, hello. 206, clear direct Burks, intercept 1 hour left.
Clear direct Burks, intercept 1 hour left, 206.
Yeah, 1243, keep turn going, heading 130.
Heading 130, United 1243.
Shamrock 961 Heavy, maintain 180 knots to Rogie.
Okay, 180 to Rogie, Shamrock 961.
Yeah, 1243, turn right heading 170, intercept 1 hour left localizer, descend to maintain 4,000.
Right 170 to intercept, and confirm 5,000, United 1243.
Yeah, 1243, 4,000.
4,000, United 1243.
206, descend to maintain 6,000.
Maintain 6,000, flight 206.
Yeah, 1482, turn left heading 010.
Left heading 010, Medevac United 1482.
And Shamrock 961 Heavy, contact San Francisco Tower.
On the tower, Shamrock 961 Heavy.
Yeah, 43, 6 from Shake, maintain 3,100. So establish on localizer, cleared ILS 1 hour approach, maintain 180 knots.
3,100 established, clear the ILS 19 left, and 189 United 1243.
Approach Asia 212, flight heading 010, maintain 6,000, speed 180 knot, information corp.
Asia 212 Heavy, NorCal approach alert. 206, 6 miles from Shake, cross Shake at or above 4,000, crushing at or above 5,000, cleared ILS 19 left approach, maintain present speed.
5,000 surface.
206, confirm Burks at or above 5,000, cleared ILS 1 hour left approach, present speed.
For present speed, Burks at above 5,000, clear ILS 1 hour left approach, flight 206.
Yeah, 1812, reduce speed to 160.
160, yeah, 1812.
Yeah, 1812, actually, let's do 170 for now.
170, yeah, 1812.
Yeah, 1482, turn right heading 110, descend to maintain 5,000.
Medevac United 1482.
Yeah, 1812, that 170 looks good, contact San Francisco Tower, good night.
Good day, 1812.
Yeah, 1243, maintain 170 knots.
3170, United 1243.
Shamrock 212, turn heavy, turn left heading 10 degrees left. It's an Asiana 212 heavy, turn 10 degrees left.
To the left, Asiana 212.
Yeah, 1482, turn right heading 170, intercept 19 left localizer, descend and maintain 4000.
Alright, 170 descent 4000, intercept 19 left localizer United, medevac 1482.
Yeah, so 43, keep that speed to Rogie, contact San Francisco Tower.
Speed of Rogie and over to Tower now, 1243.
Flight 206, maintain 180 knots per radar.
180 knots per grid, flight 206.
NorCal Skies 5397, level 7,230, heading to join.
Sky 5397, clear direct Burks, intercept 19 left, descend and maintain 6000.
Direct Burks, intercept 19 left localizer, descend maintain 6,000, Skies 5397.
Yeah, 1482, 7 from Shake, maintain 3100 till established, cleared ILS 19 left approach, maintain 180 knots.
3,100 until established and cleared out 19 left approach and 180 knots United, medevac 1482.
Sky 5397, 5 from Burks, cross Burks, at or above 5000, cleared ILS runway 19 left approach, 180 or greater.
5,000 cleared ILS 19 left approach and 180 or greater, Skies 5397.
So 206, keep that 180 or greater, Rogie, get the best speed you can all the way down. I got fast traps to follow, contact San Francisco Tower, good night.
Flight 206. Approach, hello, it's getting even 935, 6,000 feet, heading 355.
Getting even 935, heavy, NorCal approach, hello. Asiana 212 heavy, turn right heading 110.
Right heading 110, Asiana 212.
Turn right 10, question Asiana 212 heavy, turn right heading 130, and I'll have lower here in a second.
Confirm heading 130, Asiana 212.
Asiana 212 heavy, turn right 130 heading, and descend maintain 5000.
Heading 130, descending 5000, Asiana 212.
Yeah, 2480, Christian United 1482, 180 knots to Rogie, contact San Francisco Tower.
Tower United, medevac 1482.
Asiana 212 heavy, turn right heading 170, intercept 19 left localizer.
Heading 170, intercept localizer, Asiana 212.
Asiana 212 Heavy, 8 miles from Shake, maintain 3,100, still established on localizer, cleared ILS 1 ILS approach, maintain 180 knots or greater.
Descending 3,100 altitude localizer, cleared ILS runway 19 left, Asiana 212.
Scandinavia 935 Heavy, turn 10 degrees right.
10 degrees right, Scandinavia 935.
And NorCal Alaska 15 is with you, 7,000, intercepting Loke.
15, Cosmic turn, spawn a Heavy A350, descend and maintain 6,000.
Okay, down to 6 for Alaska 15.
Asiana 212, establish localizer.
Asiana 212 Heavy, cleared ILS runway 1 ILS approach.
Cleared ILS runway 19 left, Asiana 212.
Chad 718, 6,000, heading 010.
718, NorCal Look. Alaska 15, descend and maintain 5,000, reduce speed to 170.
15.
Operator Asiana 212, confirm, maintain speed 180.
Asiana 212 Heavy, affirmative 180.
Roger.
S5397, keep the 180 or greater to Rogie, contact San Francisco Tower.
180 to Rogie, over to Tower, Scouts 5397, good night.
Good night. Oscar 15, 4 from Burke, cross Burke, at about 5,000, cleared ILS 1 ILS approach, maintain that 170 knots.
Okay, cross Burke Center above 5,000, clear for the ILS approach, maintain the 170 knots for Alaska 15.
Scandinavia 935 Heavy, turn right heading 100, descend and maintain 5,000.
Right heading 100, descend and maintain 5,000, Scandinavia 935.
Alaska 15, just served, that was 19 left for the runway.
And sorry about that, 19 left, Alaska 15.
Rattler Count 566 with you at 6,180 knots.
Air Canada 566, NorCal approach, salute. And 718, Cosmic turn, spawn Heavy A330.
At 718.
Scandinavia 935 Heavy, turn right heading 120, descend and maintain 4,000.
Right heading 120, descend and maintain 4,000, Scandinavia 935.
And 718, turn 10 degrees right, descend and maintain 5,000.
10 degrees right, down to 5,000, yeah, 718.
All right. Asiana 212 Heavy, maintain 170 knots.
Maintain 170 knots, Asiana 212.
North County 91931 is leveling off at 6,000 feet, heading 020, speed 180.
Yeah, 1931, NorCal red. Scandinavia 935 Heavy, turn right heading 170, and set 1 ILS localizer.
And then set 1 ILS localizer, Scandinavia 935.
Scandinavia 935 Heavy, and reduce speed to 170.
And reduce speed 170, Scandinavia 935.
Asiana 212 Heavy, contact San Francisco Tower.
Contact San Francisco Tower, Asiana 212.
Scandinavia 935 Heavy, 7 from Burke, or correction, 7 from Shake, maintain 4,000 till established, cleared ILS 1 ILS approach.
Okay, maintain 4,000 until established, cleared ILS 1 ILS approach, Scandinavia 935.
Yeah, 718, turn right heading 110.
Right, 110, United 718.
Yeah, 718, turn right heading 170, intercept 19 left localizer.
Except the 19 left localizer.
Scandinavia 935, heavy review speed of 160.
Reducing 160, Scandinavia 935.
15, I need that 170 to Rogie.
Okay, 170 all the way to Rogie for Alaska 15.
Yeah, 718, 8 miles from Shake, maintain 3,100 till established on localizer, cleared Alice 1 Alice approach, maintain 180 knots.
And 3,100 until established, cleared the ILS 19 left approach, 718.
15, contact San Francisco Tower, have a good one.
Tower, have a good one for Alaska 15.
Well, you guys 718, maintain 170 knots.
170 knots, yeah, 718.
Canada 566, turn right heading 120, descend maintain 5,000.
Heading 120, descend maintain 5,000, Canada 566.
Canada 566, turn heading 150. Air Canada 566, you're 9 miles from Shake, turn right heading 170, maintain 3,100 till established on localizer, cleared ILS runway 19 left approach.
100 till established, clears the ILS 19 left approach, Air Canada 566.
Air Canada 566, maintain 180 knots to Rogie.
180 to Rogie, Air Canada 566.
That is 1931, turn right heading 100, descend maintain 5,000.
5,000 feet, United 1931.
Scandinavia 935, heavy, maintain 160 knots and contact San Francisco Tower.
Maintain 160 and contact Tower, Canadian 935.
United 1931, turn right heading 140.
Right heading 140, United 1931.
Canada 566, maintain 170 knots to Rogie.
170 to Rogie, Air Canada 566.
United 1931, 9 miles from Shake, turn right heading 160, maintain 3,100 till established, cleared ILS runway 19 left approach.
Okay, that's 160 heading 3,100 until established. Clear the ILS 19 left approach, United 1931.
NorCal, Gus 5433, 7,000 heading 230 to join the 19 left localizer.
Gus 433 NorCal approach, 5 miles from Burke, off Burke, center above 5,000, cleared ILS runway 19 left approach.
Burke, center above 5, clear for the ILS 19 left approach, Gus 5433.
American now 3217, 6,000 heading 010.
American 3217 NorCal approach, hello.
Howdy.
ILS 5433, maintain 180 knots.
Flown to 180, Gus 5433.
United 718, reduce speed to final approach speed, contact San Francisco.
Houston to final, switch to tower, United 718.
Canada 566, reduce speed to 160.
160 knots, Canada 566.
Canada 566, correction, reduce the final approach speed, contact San Francisco Tower.
And we're to tower, Canada 566.
Yeah, 1931, reduce speed to 160.
931.
American 3217, turn right, heading 100, descend and maintain 5,000.
100 and heading down to 5,000, American 3217.
Tower 5433, reduce speed to 160.
3.
Swiss Air 3 kilo heavy, NorCal approach, fly heading 060. American 3217, turn right heading 140, descend and maintain 3,100.
American 3217.
Wait, hello, Swiss 3 kilo heavy, we roll out on a heading of 040 at 6,000.
Swiss Air 3 kilo heavy, NorCal approach, fly heading 060, descend and maintain 5,000.
Heading 060, descend and maintain 5,000, Swiss 3 kilo.
United 1931 to go to tower.
United 1931, affirmative. Contact San Francisco Tower today.
Good day, United 1931.
American 3217, 5 miles, shake, turn right heading 160, maintain 3,100, tell established, cleared ILS, runway 19 left approach.
160 heading, 3,100 established, cleared ILS 19 left, American 3217.
Swiss Air 3 Kilo Heavy, turn right, heading 100.
Left heading 10, right heading 100, Swiss 38 Kilo.
3217, maintain 180 knots, road.
American 3217.
Swiss Air 3 Kilo Heavy, turn right heading 140, descend to maintain 3100.
Right heading 140, down to 3100, maintain Swiss 3 Kilo Heavy.
Got 5433, contact San Francisco Tower, good day.
Tower, see ya.
Swiss Air 3 Kilo Heavy, you're 6 miles from Shape, turn right heading 160, maintain 3100 to establish on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 19 left approach.
160, 3100, we clear for the ILS 19 left with 38 Kilo Heavy.
Swiss Air 3 Kilo Heavy, read back correct, maintain 180 knots, roadie.
180 until road Gorgas with 38 Kilo.
American 3217, or just be the 160, contact San Francisco Tower.
160 over to tower, 20.5 American 3217 today.